A major factor you need to consider when you are investing is your age brackets. And in this video, I want to talk about age brackets. I want to talk about the baby boomers, the Gen X's, millennials, because at times we hear these words and we don't really know what it means and how it relates to investment. So when you know your age brackets, you know the kind of investments you can do and also the ones that is not meant for you. Because the older you get, the lower your risk appetite should be. The older you get, the lower your risk appetite should be, because everyone has a retirement age. Whether you like it or not, your energy is going to tell one day. It's either you retire or you resign, just because your energy can no longer keep up with the demands of the job or of the business. And at that point in time, you should have had enough streams of income in terms of passive income that will cater for your expenses at that point in time. And that is why you need to understand what kind of investment you should go into. Let's go into it one after the other. So those who were born between 1950 and 1964, they are called the baby boomers. They are called the baby boomers. While those who are born in 1965 to 1979, they are called the Gen X's. Those who were born between 1980 and 1994, they are called the millennials. While those who were born between 1995 and 2009, they are called the Gen Z's. They are called the Gen Z's. While those who were born between 2010 and 2024, they are called the Gen Alpha. And those who will be born from this year to 2039, they will be called the Gen Beta. I hope you understand. Now, why do you see all these arrows? What I'm trying to indicate with this is the older you get, the lower the risk you should take on. Because when we talk about risk, you should know that there are low risk investments, there are medium risk investments, and there are high risk investments. But permit me to just stay on low risk and high risk investments. For instance, if you're a baby boomer, you are a Gen Xer, or you are even at the higher level of the millennials, you should know that when you want to go into investment, for instance, going into crypto should be done carefully, as in with extra care. While the Gen Zs, the Gen Alphas, they can take more risks because they still have time ahead of them. Because one of the things you consider also is your time horizon. At this upper part, which is from the millennials, you are getting close to your retirement. You are getting close to your retirement. You should be careful of the kind of investments you go into. You need to consider also your streams of income. If, for instance, you have 5 streams of income, you can still decide to go into high risk investments, maybe with one stream, with the income that is coming from one stream of income. Maybe you have like 5, but you have just one stream of income, then you should know that you should be extra careful. That is why it is not every investment that they talk about that you should opt into. You should be extra careful. So this is just to tell you that, to bring to awareness of the issue of risk appetite. Your risk appetite means what is the amount of risk you are willing to take in any investment. Remember, the older you get, the lesser risk you should take. While if you are still young, you can take higher risk, as long as you know that it's not going to affect your psychology or it's not going to make you depressed. As long as you know that you will still bounce back even when you fail. However, diversification is very crucial at every stage of investments. Whether you are a Gen Z, you are a Gen Alpha, you are a millennial, you are a baby boomer, or you are a Gen Xer, diversification is key. I hope you get my message. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do by clicking on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we release a new video. We talk about finance, investment, and business on this channel. So we meet in our next video. Stay blessed.